Welcome to this lesson on identifying the leading coefficient of a polynomial. Think of the leading coefficient as the captain or driver of the polynomial because it tells us a lot about how the function behaves. First, let's break down the parts of a polynomial. It is made up of terms separated by plus or minus signs. Each term has a coefficient, which is the number, a variable, usually x, and an exponent, which is the power. To find the leading coefficient, you first need to understand the degree. The degree of a polynomial is simply the highest exponent found on any of the variables. In these examples, you can see how we identify the degree by looking for the largest power. Once you know the degree, you can find the leading term. This is the specific term that contains that highest exponent. It is the most important term in the expression. Here is the core definition. The leading coefficient is simply the number multiplying the variable in that leading term. Even if there are other large numbers in the expression, we only care about the one attached to the highest power. Let's look at an example. Here we have 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 9. The highest power is 3, so the leading term is 2x cubed. Therefore, the leading coefficient is 2. Be careful, sometimes polynomials are not written in order. In this example, the highest power is actually 4, which is at the end. That means x to the fourth is the leading term. Since there is no number written in front of it, the leading coefficient is an invisible one. Signs matter too. In this expression, the highest power is 2. The term is negative 4x squared. This means the leading coefficient is negative 4. Always keep the sign with the number. Try this one yourself. Look at 9x minus x to the fifth plus 2, which is the highest power. It is 5. That makes the leading term negative x to the fifth. So, the leading coefficient is negative 1. To summarize, always find the term with the highest degree first. If the polynomial is jumbled, reorder it mentally. The number in front of that high power term is your leading coefficient. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.